Alright, have you ever found yourself giving Copilot the same instructions over and over again? Maybe you always want the same formatting, chart style, or reporting approach. In this lesson, I'll show you how to store those instructions as workbook rules. In the last lesson, we personalized Copilot across our sessions. Workbook rules are different because they belong to a specific workbook. The rules stay with the workbook, so Copilot can use the same guidelines whenever it works with our Aloha Print Company data. Open the Aloha Print Company workbook and the Copilot pane. In the Copilot prompt area, open the Add Work Content menu by clicking on the plus sign and select Create Workbook Rules. Copilot creates a worksheet titled .rules and adds a starter template. You can also create the worksheet manually, but the worksheet title must be exactly .rules. There are 3 requirements you need to remember. First, the worksheet must be titled .rules. Second, the rules must be listed in column A. Third, the worksheet must remain visible. If you hide the .rules worksheet, Copilot and Excel will not use it. Now let's add rules that match the Aloha Print Company workbook. We'll tell Copilot how to format revenue, production cost, and profit, how to summarize profit by sales rep, which chart style to use, and what to include when analyzing order status. Put one short, specific rule in each cell in column A. Now let's test the rules. Return to the orders worksheet and ask Copilot to summarize total profit by sales rep, identify the top performer, and create a chart. When Copilot finishes, check whether the currency, analysis, and chart follow the guidelines in the .rules worksheet. Rules can make Copilot's work more consistent, but rules do not replace your judgment. Review the numbers, the chart, and any business conclusions before using the result. To recap, name the worksheet .rules, list the rules in column A, and keep the worksheet visible. In the next lesson, we'll use Copilot to uncover summaries, trends, and unusual patterns in the Aloha Print Company data. Let's keep on learning.